Hi, good evening. Today is the 17th March 2025. After 3 days, there was a holiday. Afterwards, today market opened and which opened little gap up. Then afterwards, almost today there was a sideways movement. So today, how we have taken the trade, let us see, and how we have captured based on our Williams Fractal strategy. So let us go to the chart. You can see here that this is the first 5-minute candle. This is the first 5-minute candle. It's a big candle made. You can see. So bottom it's opened around 22,352 gap down. Means little gap down. Then afterwards it has got recovered. So then it has went up to single candle itself. It has went up to 130 point. The single candle itself is recovered 130 points in the 5 minutes candle. And what we selected 22,500 C and 22,500 P. So in that, if you see P side, clearly indicators getting the support in the first candle itself. AO is also below zero line and AC is also below zero line. All the indicators are supporting. Hence, what we did, immediately we took the trade below this line because this candle was closed 102.55. We put the stop loss trigger at 101. 101 we put it immediately, which got triggered. Then immediately we put the stop loss also. Stop loss also in the top 20 point above. We put the stop loss. Then afterwards, immediately the next candle, the second candle we trialed to the cost. Then third candle we put the stop loss below the cost. Means 101 we entered and 92 we put the cost this thing. And fourth candle we put the 85 we put the this one means stop loss. Based on the system, fifth candle is the green candle and sixth is also green candle. Hence, we are not changing the stop loss. So we booked around the 16 point. The first trade itself we booked around 16 points, which is good. So PE side we booked 16 point. And afterwards, if you see, there is no indicator support this side. Then if you see here, the C side, if you see here, there is indicator support. This is the area there is indicator support. Whereas our candles are above the alligator. Hence, we are not taken the trade. So which is coming below little away means you can see here after this candle means after this candle you can see here this is below the means alligator teeth. So hence here we put the stop loss trigger order here because in that area also it was this one only means based on this one it is red only. So here we put the stop loss trigger order, but whereas this got means AO got AC got green. Hence, we have not entered here. This area we have not entered here. We have, if you are entered also around 5 to 6 point, you would have captured, but we have not entered because this AC got green. Next candle itself, AC got green. So hence, we have not entered this area. Then afterwards, again, if you see, again there is a indicator support is this area. This area also not triggered. So after if we are putting stop loss trigger order, but it is not getting triggered. So in the then same way, if you see here this P side here there is a stop loss trigger means here there is a indicator support. So if we support it also, so this is this trade got not triggered. So here it has not got triggered. Then again there is a indicator support this area. Then here 1140. 1140 there is an indicator support below this one only, this candle only, that is also not indicator means not means breakout not happen. Then again if you see in the C side if you see this is the candidate has got a breakdown, but here we got the entry actually. This area 103 we got the entry, then which came below to 97. But we put the stop loss above this one that got triggered actually. Stop loss got hit here. So 103. Then again we trialed here. That is around here we lost around 4 point. We lost here. Here C side booked last 4 point. Okay. Then if you see here, there is a indicator support. Here there is no indicator support. Indicator support was again, it was giving this area only. It is giving, this is the candle which is giving the indicator support. So what we did, below this candle we entered. Here also again there was a stop loss hit. Here we entered 119, we entered, and if you see here 119, then 125. Here also we booked around 6 point, we booked loss. Here also once again we booked loss of 6 point plus 6 point loss. Total 10 points so far it is loss. Then again if you see P side there was an indicator support this area. So this is the current candle, this is the area indicator support. Hence what we did, below the this one means below the alligator teeth we entered. So and which immediately we came out also, because 116 we entered. So we have put this one, because here after entry so we are not we have put around 3 point below we cost, we put this thing. Here we booked around 3 point, we booked here because there are multiple stop loss hit hence we have tried a little fast. Here we booked 3 point. Earlier we booked 16 plus now we booked 3 point. Then again if you see indicator support, there is no, here this area there is indicator support is there. Then again we entered this area below this one. Below this one we entered. So here also if you see here also after entry immediately we got this one reversal. So we waited for that, for the reversal we waited for that, little away we waited for that. Then here also we booked around near about after coming to the below cost, here also we booked around another 4 point we booked. .4 we booked, total 24 point. Then if you see here there is an indicator support in there around 1455, but which we could not able to capture much. So here there was a breakout was happened after 3 o'clock only, after 250 only, 25 only. So hence here we are not taken the trade. And the C side also there was no clear cut breakout in the 3 o'clock. So hence we could not able to take the trade in the C side also. So today there was a literally sideways movements. Hence we could not able to make much money, because here we P side we booked for 24 point, and the C side we lost around 10 point. So finally we booked around 14 point, we booked 14 point we booked. There is no much opportunity today. So that is what today's trade. So let us wait and see the trade of wins. Let us check for the tomorrow, because today there was a movement, because based on the movement only we'll have to go. We cannot able to take the further opportunity. Only thing what we would have done, here one opportunity was there, that I don't want to take the risk, because this area there is a means, this is a 5 EMA, this is a 5 EMA candle. This area means around you can see in the 22,500 CE 1140 candle. You can see that 1140 candle is it is not at all touching the EMA. It is not touching the EMA. Then 1145 candle also not touching the EMA. So ultimately 1145 candle is the EMA 5 EMA candle which got broken. So as per the 5 EMA strategy, what we would have done, below this candle, below this candle and below the 5 EMA would have entered, means around 136 would have entered. Then again, if you are trailing also, you would have booked at least 10 points. You would have booked here. This area after trailing, you would have booked 10 points. Fast trailing also, you would have booked 10 points. That we have not taken the trade, because of today's the morning that up move was there. Hence, I don't want to take the trade, because today is the bullish move only. It is happening. So that is why that 5 EMA I have avoided. I have not taken the trade. So let us see tomorrow how it will going to happen. We will see the tomorrow's trade. Thank you for watching.